Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. I know the Boxycharm boxings for me are later in the month just because I live in the complete opposite end of the country, and it just takes longer for them to get to me. I do a lot of giveaways here on this channel. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of March, it is the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter that. I also have many other giveaways going on as well. I have an 800 subscriber one and all sorts of other stuff. So I have stuff set aside for when we hit our 900 subscriber. I have a huge, big one set aside for when we hit our 1,000 subscriber. There is the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette in that giveaway, so help us get there. And the only way to win my giveaways is you must be a subscriber. And I do check. So let's dive in and see what's in here. This is the Boxycharm Premium Box. I do know that so let's back up. Boxycharm has their base box, which is $25 a month. And this one is their, and that's, I think, 5 full-size products. And then the premium box is, I think, 6 full-size products, and it's $35 a month. And I can say that Boxycharm has stepped up the premium game a lot. I do know that there is, the first time they've ever done it, it is just one brand in here, and I don't have any products from this brand. So I am super excited, so let's dive in. So most of you guys probably know Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty is owned by Rihanna herself. And so this box is all Fenty Beauty products. So let's pull out the star of the show, in my opinion. It's a Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. It has 16 richly pigmented shades, serving up a dash of matte, satin, pearl, metallic, and shimmer finishes. Retails for $29. I am a sucker for packaging. Look at that. This little cloud burst. So stunning. This is probably one of the most beautiful packages from the outside that I've seen. So it has rich velvety colors, ultimate staying power, limitless day to night looks for every mood. Each eyeshadow is 0.9 grams. And it has a very clear mirror on this side. And look how pretty these shades are. So you could do so many looks with this, guys. So pretty. So because I do eyeshadow palette giveaways for you guys here on this channel, I can't believe I'm going to say this, but I'm going to save this one for a giveaway for one of you guys. I am so excited. So when I get my boxes, I set stuff aside for me and stuff aside to give away for you, and I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway every month. So I'm super excited for one of you guys to get this. So here we have the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. I know you could get this in a variety of shades. It's all moods, all skin tones, all day. A pocket perfect lipstick with long wearing petal and soft matte finish. Available in a rainbow of weightless color intense shades, each designed to flatter all skin tones. Include shades may vary. Does retail for $18. Mine's like super dark. I don't really wear, I wear brown lipstick, but not that darker lipstick, so I'll be putting, oh, and it even has the FB kind of embossed in there. I don't know if you kind of see that. So we put this one in a giveaway for you guys as well. I am really excited about this one. This is the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. It's the ultimate gotta have it lip gloss with explosive shades that feel as good as it looks. In shade Diamond Milk, a dewy highlight for your lips, Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb is essential finishing touch for your fancy face. I've heard so many of you guys rave about the gloss bombs and I haven't had any before. Oh, look how stunning this looks. This does retail for $19. And I will say on a clear bomb especially, do not put it on your lipstick that you already have and then put it back in here, or else you're gonna tint this shade. It's gonna be gross and it's gonna start looking like all your other. You won't be able to use it for a brown and then a pink another day and a red another day. It's gonna be this big ugly mess. It just has this pearlescent. Look, this doe foot applicator. I will put it right there so you can see that. So what I'm gonna do now is I will take, this is like the only time that I take a lip pencil. Let's just dip that in. Because can you see how it's already on there? So I'm just gonna take my finger and put clean finger each time and just run it along kind of the brush. So pretty, love it. It has kind of a, maybe like a coconut smell to it. It's not sticky or anything like that. I can see why you guys say that this is one of your favorite glosses. So here is the Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick. It's a magnetized makeup stick in a long wear light as a shimmer formula to highlight, blush, and enhance. This long wear cream to powder highlighter stick is weightless, blendable, and loves to be layered. The included shades may vary. Mine is in the shade Unicorn, and it does retail for $25. That looks like. I am not gonna swatch this because I don't really do colorful highlighters. I'm not that bright yet. So I'm gonna be putting this one in an upcoming giveaway for you guys as well. Here we have the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. It's light up where you want and when you want with this weightless longwear cream powder hybrid highlighter in the iconic shade Trophy Wife. Retails for $36. That's what the packaging looks like. Is it weird that when you show it this way is Fenty Beauty and then you turn it around and then this is kind of upside down? I don't know, just me. Ooh, this is really pretty. Mirror on this side. And then there is your shade. Like I said, I don't really do colorful highlighters, so I'll be putting this one in a giveaway for you guys too. Lastly is the INVISIMATTE blotting paper, ultra portable blotting paper that lets you touch up in a stealth, made with super chic, refillable mirrored compact that looks like a lipstick case. Lift away the shine while leaving makeup perfectly untouched. Retails for $18. Here's your little case. It does have like a little mirror here that you can use. Here is your roller paper you can put on the inside. I don't have I don't have oily skin, so I'll be putting this one in some giveaway. Somebody else can use it more than I can. So I got lots and lots of stuff for you guys and stuff for me. What did you guys think? What was your favorite things? I kind of cool that they did a full brand so you can really try out multiple things from the, you know, super, you know, pretty high-end brand. So let me add up everything in here. So total box is $145, not bad for the $35 that you spent for the box if you're gonna use everything in it. That's the key thing, is you have to be able to say, hey, am I gonna use all of this stuff? So what did you guys think? What was your favorite things in here? Let me know. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does really mean a lot to me. And hit the subscribe button twice. It'll ask you if you want to be notified for future videos. If you could say yes, that it would help me out a lot as well. I guess I'm trying to get this, to grow this channel, get it monetized so I can do more of these and give back to you guys as well. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos if you want to check them out. There's a couple links for them here. And have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.